guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January 2026 Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club to show you. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. You guys. So again, the January 2026 T-Shirt of the Month Club by Shabby Lane has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your subscription to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, look at it, looks like it's Valentine's Day themed, so I'm so excited to see what shirt we're going to have for this month. They also do include a small gift in there that could be anything really, but it's in addition to the t-shirt, so it's not just the shirts every single month. And I love that you get a little something extra in there as well. So let's go ahead and pull everything out. Can you see that color? They also include these cards, and I absolutely love that. I tell you guys, you can save them to write like thank you cards, note cards. You can use them for scrapbooking. You can use them to decorate. You can put them in frames or just post them up. Like, you can do anything with them, so I always save them, and you always have like 2 to 3 of them every single month, and they're all different. So let me remove the plastic, and it has a sticker, love is all you need. And that matches this right here. Love is all you need with those tulips. This one says love more. So here's 2 of the cards. And then on the bottom, here is another one that is with the other item that you get in here as well. So let's open this one. So you have a little card in there, and it says, friend, the world needs you now more than ever. It's so important that we hold on to hope, keep love in our hearts, and find joy in the smaller things, especially on the harder days. Remember, small acts of kindness truly matter so much that you can make a huge difference in someone else's life. I hope this month you experience so much love and kindness. I am so incredibly grateful for you. Because of you, I am able to do what I love. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Much love, Catherine, the Shabby Lane shop owner. So that you have this card right there. Then you also have this one that says, today I choose joy. Isn't that so pretty? And then we have a necklace. Oh, it's a necklace and earring set. So you have these earrings up there, and then the necklace. Let me remove the bottom part so you can see this a little bit better. So it's like a silver chain, but the middle part looks like it's a gold color. So you have silver and gold together on this one. I'm going to save this and put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. Only because I'm not a Goldie fan, but I don't do anything with earrings because my ears are super sensitive. So anytime I get anything like this, I love to pass down to you guys. So I will save it. I'm trying to flip it back the way that it was. I will save it in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy, but it is really pretty. It looks like it has like some kind of a design in it even. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna put that right back in there, and that will go in a future giveaway. I love to pass down to you guys, so that's awesome. Okay, so then now we are gonna go with these shirts. Now the shirts are always on the Bella and Canvas, and I tell you guys, I love those shirts. They're super comfortable. They wear very well. They don't shrink, and it says love is all you need. And I'm so glad that they send you the like holiday type themes a month in advance. So now you can wear this all of January and all of February up until Valentine's Day. Not getting it next month where you might only have a day or 2 to wear it, you know? So I love that they always take that into consideration, and they do it a month in advance. So you are well aware, you're prepared, and you have everything for the actual month. So I love it. And I love this like bright kind of pink. It's not a pale pink, and it's not like a hot pink, but it is a really pretty pink. So I love that. So you want to see it on? Let's go. Okay, so there we go, you guys. Here is this month's shirt. Again, I love the color. I love the saying, and now I'm all ready for Valentine's Day. So that is everything that came down in this month's box. Again, you have this amazing, beautiful t-shirt. You have these cards that you can use for anything and the jewelry. Okay, you guys. So again, that's everything for the January box. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the color? What do you think of the design, the style? Definitely let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you like some pricing about this one, I will let you know right about now. They actually have two different subscriptions when it comes to their monthly box. They have this one that you can do that has the monthly t-shirt. Every month you'll have a new shirt. Everyone gets the same exact shirt, the same color, all of that. So if you want to just do month per month, it looks like it's normally $24.95 and it's currently on sale for $19.95. Again, you get the monthly shirt and you get the free gift with it as well. You get to choose your shirt size from small unisex all the way up to 4X in unisex. Again, same exact shirt, but small to 4X you get to choose. If you want to go to a 3-month subscription, it would be $73. A 6-month subscription will bring it to $147, and then a full 12-month prepaid plan paying for the whole entire year would be $294. So you have 12 shirts and 12 free items with that as well. So I did say there's two different types. They also have another one that's called the Boutique Bag VIP membership for $29.99, or the Deluxe Boutique Bag VIP membership for $39.99. Both of those, they do not come with the shirt. It just looks like there's jewelry and accessories and stuff that they also sell. So you can definitely check out either one. And I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty20, to save you 20% off your very first month if you are interested. Again, they all will be listed down below in the description box for you. They also sell all of their shirts individual. There's so many different designs. There's holiday designs. There's stuff for men, for women. There's long sleeve, short sleeve, and they're not just shirts. They have other stuff on their site as well. But if you like to just purchase a shirt without going to a subscription, you can purchase it for yourself, for gift ideas. I purchased a few shirts that way as well. So you do have that option. They have a huge selection of shirts on their website readily available. So they will all be listed down below. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.